We're now going to wire a hyacinth. Beautiful hyacinth pit with beautiful scent. However, for corsage work, we need to take some of the flowers off. By actually taking some of the flowers off and wiring them individually, we're actually using the technique pipping, using a 32 wire down through the centre of the hyacinth, so it comes out at the base, at the side of the stem. Little tiny hook, and again beautiful in corsage work. I'll show you that technique again. Hold it in your finger and thumb, using a 32 down through the centre, little tiny hook, and then we're going to tape. This technique is known as pipping a hyacinth. Nice and delicate, beautiful for boutonnieres and corsages.